topic on what would you do for $1 million, 3 things would you do. So if I just go about like I will do this, this and this, answer is gone. This is very short, so I do not have to give a short answer. So hey guys, welcome to the fourth and last part of the IELTS preparation series, and if you haven't checked out the previous parts of the reading, writing and listening section, go check them out. And in this video I will be talking to you about tips and tricks on how you can like crack the speaking part of the IELTS exam. So let us get started. Number 2 tip I can give you right now is do not memorize the answers. For example, if I am going to the IELTS exam, I will not be going with the mentality that if I am given this topic, I have to memorize these from home and these 20 lines I will just mug it up and speak. Do not do this, because they will know when you are memorizing the answers. So go try to go natural in the examination center. I believe in you that you can like think on the spot, and the topics will not be hard. Trust me, they will not be hard. There are a few exceptions where they get a lot of hard topics, but even if the topics are hard or easy, go natural and think on the spot and say. Number 3rd tip is do not try to like use big words and unfamiliar words which you do not know the meaning to, because you will not be able to pronounce it pretty well, and you might fumble up, or you might get panicked that I do not know the answer to this. You might be using them in the wrong context. So do not use big words. Keep it simple, keep it short and keep it natural. Number 4 is do not like worry about your accent. If your accent is not good, then don't worry. There's a tip like you can use you should always use stress and intonation in when you're talking to somebody, and you can practice this with your friends or family, and you can just sit with them and try to talk with them and give a little bit of intonation there, and yeah, you will do well. The next tip I can give you right now is pause. So you do not have to like speak for the answer as soon as they can. For example, if I am given a topic and I have to say about it, and if I do not know the answer, what I will be doing is, for example, I am doing it right now, like I will say to them that okay, let me give me a minute, okay, this is an interesting question, let me think about it. Or you can say I was not expecting this question, but I will try to answer it, and can you give me a minute to think about it. You can give these like answers to think about the question. You do not have to like just go in after you see the topic. You can pause, think about it and then say. The next tip I can give you right now is do not use fillers. So fillers are words like you know, well, do not use these words, because these are fillers and they do not like sound well when you're talking to the examiner. Be professional and do not use these filler words. The next tip is always extend your answers. For example, if I'm given a topic, for example, I was given a topic on what would you do for $1 million, 3 things would you do. So if I just go about like I will do this, this and this, answer is gone. This is very short, so I do not have to give a short answer. Always keep it as long as possible. Do not give them the chance to like say like can you tell me more about it or that, because it will go in a negative context. So like keep it long. Do not like give short and concise answers. Always give as detailed as you can. The next tip I can give you right now is smile. So smiling helps pronunciation, and if you smile, it relaxes your nerves, it keeps you calm, and the examiner also will be in a happy mood to talk you about the follow-up questions from the topic. So always smile, chill, relax and give it a go. The last tip which I can give you right now is speak clearly, and there are no right or wrong answers here. If they give you a topic and if you say something, so they cannot judge you if you are saying this right or wrong. You just have to speak about the topic for a minute or two after the examiner stops you. So like do not stop here. Do not think that if I'm giving this answer, this might be right or wrong. So there is no judgment that you are giving the right or the wrong answer, and always say and do not stop until the instructor tells you to stop. So this was the last part of the IELTS preparation series, guys, and if you like the video, do like it, and if you find the content a bit more relevant, so consider subscribing the channel. And if you have any doubt, you can feel free to contact me on my social media handles down below. And if you have any doubts or need a free resources, my ebook named Master Your IELTS is available on the Amazon KDP platform, and this is absolutely free. In this ebook, I will be giving the same tips and tricks, or a bit more than that, you never know, in a basic PDF format, so that it is so that you are easily able to note down the points, or you can just read the points which I mentioned here. So go check it out on Amazon KDP platform, and I will be linking the link in the description below. So this is it for the video, guys. This was the end of the preparation IELTS preparation series, and this was the part 4. If you haven't watched the previous 3 parts, I will be putting them in the description below. And yeah, इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय बाय. Coming for the throne. So you wanna be my enemy? You should've known I'd never kiss the rain. Ice runs in